All right, everyone, I don't know if you can see me, it's a little dark, but I just drove about an hour to a mobile welding job. So the D-rings I did in my last video got me another job with the same contractor, which is pretty cool. So mobile gig, as you can see, we got a front end loader. We have 6 big buckets, and what they want is 2 D-rings welded on each bucket to push one of those snow pushers. So let's I'm just waiting for the guy to come down, kind of go over everything with me, make sure we're gonna put him in the right spots, all that yada yada, and we'll get to working. All right, got everything strung out here. Still waiting on the guy to show up, but pretty much what's happening here, this is just an extra one I had just in case, is these are gonna get welded on like right here. I'm gonna go and say, I'm gonna maybe guess that the orange paint's where they want them. So, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to do. So let's just wait around and get going. Just getting over a cold, unfortunately. So, but yeah, this is a little bit of a drive for me. Probably further than I would go, actually, with my truck. My truck is old and doesn't like long trips. The transmission, I got electrical problems with the truck still, with overdrive, and if anyone's a 2nd gen Cummins automatic guru, hit me up. My torque converter keeps unlocking in overdrive, so let me know. But yeah, normally this company that I'm working for here is their main headquarters actually is 15 minutes from my house, which is nice, but most of all their brand new buckets down are here. So I told him I can come down here because he had them all down here. It's a big operation to get all these back up to closer to home, so I'm mobile. You know, I'm just a little hesitant on the truck on long trips still. I'll try to stay close to home, but I have something in the works possibly to make myself better mobile. So that's why I drove a little, kind of like central Jersey right now. I live in North Jersey, so it's we're just gonna get this job done and get home on this nice chilly Saturday. All right, so we're in one of the other buckets. 3 of them actually get D-rings welded on the inside because of the certain snow pusher it gets, but got this one welded up, got the other side done, so let's start this. round the paint off, I'm going to remark my 26.5. These are 3/4 inch D-rings rated for 26,500 pounds. So got them off eBay, 12 pack, perfect. Gotta do a little more grinding. Stinger hooked up. Kind of just eyeballing center of this thick plate here. It's everyone's a little different. The last two I did on the sides, it kind of tapers up. This one's a straight shot. So eyeball it, tap it with a hammer, get it good, weld it out. Welding rods. Root the other side. There's root on one side, not too bad. And that side. This is a little awkward for me hitting this side, so sometimes the roots don't look as slick, but it's going to stay on there. So let's cap both ends. We'll go do the other side. Capped. That's my better side, so that side always looks a little better, but these things are do their purpose. So we go to the other side. I won't bore you with the other side, and then we'll wrap it up with the last one. Alright, last one. On there. Let's get cleaned up and we'll catch you driving out. Alright guys, back at home base. I didn't film a lot at the end. He had a worker there with me most of the time. He kind of came there, showed me where he wanted the D-rings, and then he was transporting some of the buckets to different locations, so didn't really film a whole lot. some people don't like to be on camera, so I just respect their privacy. But pretty much done. Each D-ring, or each bucket, got 2 D-rings. 3 of them got them in the same spot. 3 of them got them in different spots, as you guys probably saw. 3 of them got them inside the bucket. 3 of them got on the outside of the bucket. That's because different snow pushers have different hookup points. That's where they wanted them. Each bucket had its own snow pusher, so pretty much they hook it up to a 14, 16-foot snow pusher to plow these big commercial industrial warehouses. So makes quick work of snow removal. So this job kind of stemmed, or I got it from the first set of D-rings I did in my last video to go in his aluminum dump trucks. So it's nice. This was about an hour from home, a little further than I like to travel, but he kind of had everything in one spot down there, and I have the truck, so it was cheaper, probably, I would assume, cheaper to charge him the hour travel time than for him to gather all the buckets, have a guy all day gathering all the buckets, bring them up home, because his yard is about 15 minutes from my house. So it's all good. Made some money, and yeah, thank my buddy for hooking me up with this connection here. He's got more work, got possibly another job to do for him, because the snow pusher he had down there, the shoes were pretty worn through in most spots. So that could be a potential another job, another video. So we'll see. Got to quote him on some metal. I think he'll probably go for it because they're pretty bad shape. But I appreciate you guys watching, and enjoy the holidays. Probably come out the week before Christmas, so everyone enjoy your holidays and all that good stuff. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this Saturday and potentially start working on another project for myself. So catch you guys on the next video. Okay. Oh, what's this? Ready? Sit. That's down. Spin. Twist. Twist. Nope, that's spin. Twist. Down. All right, good enough. Ooh, heads up. Come on. Good girl. Now we got to work on dropping it, right? Drop it and not growling. All right, say goodbye.